it's a little chilly. Alright, welcome back to another video, y'all. So today, short little video for you here. So me and Max are at the gun club and we're gonna be sighting in some of our rifles. So we got these. We got an AR-15 here, 300 blackout with a FLIR thermal scope, and then we got this guy. This is Max's uncle's gun with this new scope on it. So we're gonna see if we can figure out how this thing works. This is a 223. So we'll shoot his first at 50, try to get it sighted in, and then shoot it at 100. This one, my dad sighted in last year, so should be good to go. So we're just gonna shoot at 100 and see what happens. So go set these targets up, and since it is a thermal scope, we're gonna use hot hands, tape them to the target, and that'll be our aiming point. What you think?
I like it.
Alright, so we're gonna go set these things up down range there.
One of these, so.
Oh yeah, it's getting kind of chilly. We're gonna go set these up down range and then pick y'all back up when we start shooting. Alright, so Max is gonna shoot the 223 first at 50 yards and see if he can get it on paper. And then I'm gonna start shooting the 300 at 100 yards, see if it's still dialed in or not. Alright, you ready? Yeah, go ahead. Where'd it hit?
I can't tell.
Which one are you aiming at?
The top one.
You just gonna shoot twice or something? See where it hits, and then we'll go look at it. Alright, so we both shot 2 rounds down range at 50 yards. And we're gonna see where we hit, and then we'll see if we can get dialed in and then take it out to 100. 1, 2. So yours are high.
Yeah.
And then mine are low. I think I don't know. Let's bring yours down, because yours isn't gonna move much at 100. And I might just leave that there.
It really just needs to come straight down a couple inches.
We could just shoot yours at 100. It'll shoot at 100.
We can see what it does.
Alright, we're gonna try 100 and see where we hit there, and we'll go from there. Let's go check it out, see what we got at 100 yards. So here and here is mine, aiming right there.
High again. Really high.
Alright, so now let's move it. So mine was low, wasn't it low at 50?
Yeah. Unless this is you and that's me.
I don't know. Yeah, this is definitely mine because it's bigger. Alright. So yeah. It's like yeah, there you go. No, this is definitely mine, because I shot.
Measure foam lengths.
I shot low last time.
2 phone lengths. Let's go measure it over there.
Okay.
See if it's the same.
But these holes are bigger, so that's definitely mine. That's really small.
Yeah, that's gotta be it.
All right, so you shot like a foot high, and mine shot like, I don't know, like 5-6 inches.
Hey, I hit it.
Yeah, I mean, now we can just sight it in. All right, so now we gotta dial them in here. Mine's low, Max's is really high, so we gotta go opposite ways here to get them dialed in. All right, so we've been having some problems with the rifles here, just messing with the scopes, trying to sight them in, and we finally got it figured out. We kept moving them the wrong way and missing the paper. So now we are dead on. So Max just has a few more adjustments to get his dialed in at 50. Mine's an inch high at 50. So I'm going to take it to 100 and see where it hits, and then we should be good to go. Alright, let's go check out, see where we hit.
I ain't on this one because I think I was smoked. I don't know. Boom.
Boom!
Got it.
You shot once? Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, let's go check out mine. Alright, so mine ended up being 6 inches high at 100, even though it was an inch high at 50. So we're gonna dial it into 100 yards and we're gonna call it good. Just move it real fast. Should only take one shot. So
Pretty good. We just gotta get like really good.
yeah. Alright, so we just went down there, checked it for the last time, and we're pretty much dialed in. Max was hitting good at 50, so he's gonna give the gun back to his uncle, and he should be able to get it close at 100, or shoot at 100 and see where it hits. And this one, it's 2 to 3 inches high at 100, but it's a 300 blackout, so at 200 yards it's going to drop like 6 inches. At 150 it should be kind of like dead on, so we should be able to shoot 0 to 200 yards pretty easily with this thing now. And yeah, we'll have to do a predator hunting video here soon, so y'all stay tuned for that, coming out here for long. So alright, see ya. We're gonna wrap this video up and get all our stuff thrown in the truck. We might go do some scouting for some ducks or make a little duck video, so y'all stay tuned for that, coming out soon. So make sure to like, subscribe, go check out the other content on the channel, and catch you guys next time. Peace.